Okay, we're picking up here after part one we just finished. So I'm going to call this part 1A because it's something I needed to slip in here later, and it's a very, very important step in this process. To explain what we're going to do here, this table here again represents the information we downloaded from the state's website, which is basically just a shapefile containing minimal information on our structures. Um, what we want to do again is link the SIMS data that we're going to download with this GIS information that we got from the website, so we can kind of marry them together and be able to click on bridges and pull up any information you want to find on them. And something important to mention here too, if you already have some GIS data for your county, maybe you have some aerial photography, it would be great to be able to have that turned on in the background to help you find bridges and easier, navigate throughout the county and where you're at. So let's begin by what we want to do is remove this hyphen in here in the structure number field. So in order to do that, anytime you want to modify something in your attribute table of your GIS, of any of your layers, again, to get there, we right-clicked on our layer over here and went to Open Attribute Table. And if you want to modify the data in here, you have to begin what we call an edit session. So in order to start an edit session, you need to come up here to Editor. And again, depending on your setup in your ArcView, your menu may not be up here to start an edit session, but somewhere I believe this toolbar should be available. If not, you'll have to add it by going to your menu up top. But under Editor, once you find that, you want to go to Start Editing, and then it asks you which folder, where's the information you're going to edit. Well, in this case, we're going to edit the structure information. So we want to click on this because that's where our structure data is. And then we're going to click OK. And you can see your file down here to make sure that's the layer you want to edit. Okay, and now we've began an edit session. You can see some of these options are now available up top now that we're in an edit session. So I'm going to go up here to the top of the structure number column, and I'm going to highlight that whole column. And in order to eliminate that hyphen, and again, that's what we need to do to make this link work, we're going to go down here to Options, and then we're going to go to Find and Replace. And all we want to do here is we want to go to Replace, the Replace tab. We want to find just hit the minus sign. We're going to find that, and we're going to replace it with nothing. Basically, we're just going to eliminate it. So once you do that, we'll go ahead and click Replace All. And you can see over here, it took out all our hyphens in there. And now, this information is going to be useful to be able to link that to our SIMS database, which we will pick up in the next part of our video.